Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.
Ayan guys, good morning. Ayan na guys yung update ng aking native na mustard. Kakaiba tugang mustard na to guys. Ayan. Ayan. May bulaklak na sila. Ay kaninang daming bubuyog or yung tinatawag na honey. Ayan, nag-ano na rin siya. Oh, may bunga na rin. Pero nakakakuha pa rin ako kasi fresh na fresh pa rin yung kanyang dahon. Ayan, as you can see, oh. Pwede pang ulamin yan. Pero hindi ko siya kaya kaubusin. Marami. Ito guys yung native. Iba yung mustard natin dyan sa Pilipinas. Malalaki. Pero ito native. Pero napaka-healthy ito guys. Ang ganda ng kanyang lasa. Hindi, iba yung lasa yung mustard natin dyan sa Pilipinas. Yan oh. Pwede pa oh. Pwede pang ulamin mga yan guys. So yan guys yung aking update sa aking mustard. Ayan. Ang ganda ng bulaklak. Yellow. Diba? Kaya kapag may tanim ka, mayroon kang mapagkukunan ng mga green leafy vegetable. Ayan, masarap ito guys. Ang recipe na masarap nito ay yung nyo, lagyan nyo ng itlog at saka yung pickled. Masarap ito yung pickled. Ayan, or iburo kung tawagin. Ayan. Ito yung ibang variety ito guys. Pino yung dahon niya at saka yung stem niya iba, kakaiba. Kaya ito gawin kong binhi to, ibang klaseng mustard. Ayan. Ayan guys, showing honeybee on how to pollinate my mustard plant. Ayan, as you can see.
Yeah!